Yeah. Hey, just be careful. You're in flop, so it's gonna hurt.
This is my first time riding like about 6 months, bro.
Damn. What kind of bike you got?
A 250.
Okay, nice.
I had got hit off my shit. The nigga was coming towards me.
Here?
No.
Oh.
In the city. These niggas, nah. They don't know me from in the city, bro.
Ah.
Riding. The nigga ran and turned to my lane. And ran a flip, bro.
I ride the same
That shit's crazy.
Sucks. The boys about to race. Was this the quad that went in the water or no? Yeah? This is the one that went into the water, right? It's good? Nothing wrong with it?
No, it's okay.
Okay, nice. Oh, we're about to have some quad battles going on. Quad battle, and I'm just gonna frickin' record it. Oh, that almost went bad. We got Dre versus the purple and green. Ooh! Oh, Dre got it. Let's get it, bro. Let's swaggin'. He said, no problem. I got no handers too. Hey, let's race. That's a stock Banshee? No? Oh, Lord. He smoked up. That thing is so fast, bro. He just boom. Crazy. Hey, that thing's like a missile, bro. It's bro, this thing looks crazy. Hey, this is fully like modded from a 350. So it's like a 400. Oh. Oh my god. Wait, I said that again, my bad.
121.
CC? Damn. I seen him launch it, it's just like a missile, bro.
Yeah.
It's insane.
You know, they come with it.
Yeah.
Order over to a 421.
Ah. Sir. What are we cutting up? Woo. Bro, I'm in flip-flop. What the hell? Crazy. Yo, y'all killing it! God damn! Let's go! I'm joining in this. Let's go! Let's go! The kid's standing up too. That's so dope. What? Race? Let's go! Yeah, you gotta put the mask down for this. Smoked them. I'm surprised. What? What happened?
One more. One more.
One more? Okay. Alright, I guess. freaking dirt bike out here. What's going on, dude? Hello. What's good? Hello, everyone. Thank you guys for watching. For real.
They always on YouTube watching.
Yeah. YouTube's the new like TV, you know.
Recording right now?
Yeah, I'm recording. You want to say something?
What's up, y'all?
Hey.
You know you got the other two every week. They be out here. The other two.
Yeah.
The little green, the blue, the dirt
Yeah.
bike, that's what they hold the clique.
Oh, that's your friends? Hey, that's awesome. Well, you're gonna be in this video, so hey, let's go. Y'all take care. Of course. Alright, I'm gonna call it.